Hi everyone, my name is Igor, and in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can create, set up and optimize Facebook business page that will help you to get new customers. I don't like lengthy introductions, so let's begin. Firstly, you have to log into Facebook. You can use your personal account or create a new one especially for business purposes, there is no much difference. Click on the plus button and choose the Create a Page item. On this step you have to enter your business name, choose the category to which it belongs and enter information about what it does. After you have done it, just click Create a Page. Now you have to upload a profile photo and a cover image. If you don't have them right now, don't worry, it's a common thing and you can add them later. By the way, I want to recommend a service using which you can easily create covers for Facebook pages, as well as banners for Facebook ads and templates for regular posts. It's called Canva and it has a free and paid version. You can find the link to this service in the description below this video. As for me, for this tutorial I have taken a free cover from the Canva in advance, so I will add it. Just click Save now. Now you have to come up with a unique username and create it. That will help people find your page in search results much faster and increase the credibility of your brand. To do that, just click on the Create Username link and enter your username. If the username that you have chosen is free, then this button will become active. If it's already taken, then try to come up with a new one. By the way, in some cases you may face an error, this page isn't eligible to have a username. Due to the Facebook rules, you should have at least 25 likes on the page before you will be able to create a unique username. So just ask your friends and acquaintances to like your page and this error will disappear. Anyway, my username has been successfully created, so I'll just click Done. If you've mistaken or just want to change your username, you can simply do that on the Edit Page Info tab. On the same tab you can add your contact information such as phone number, email and website, add the location of your business as well as working hours. By the way, your additional contact information will appear on the About tab that you can find here. Nobody likes empty pages because they look abandoned. That can scare away your potential customers and make them think that your business does not exist anymore. To avoid that, I recommend you regularly add new posts. About 2 or 3 posts per month will be enough. But right now, because the page is empty, we should add a few posts about our business at once. So click Create Post. You can add some text, images, photos and change the post background. I'm gonna add 2 more posts, but don't worry, I will speed up the video. Alright, now we have 3 great posts and I'm going to show you how you can pin one of them and schedule new ones. To pin a post, just click on it and choose Pin to top of page. It's a useful feature for making an announcement or providing some important information to your customers. Let's take a look at our page as a visitor to make sure the pinned post is displayed correctly. Yeah, all is okay. Now let's schedule some posts. To do that, go to the Publishing tools. Choose the Schedule Posts tab and click Create Post. Here you can add your post just like that I've shown you earlier, but instead of the usual post button, you will see the Schedule Post button. If you click on it, you will be offered to select a date and time when you want your post will be published. If you reload the page, you will see that the scheduled post has been successfully created. Now I want to tell you about one important thing, which is the call to action button. It is the button by clicking on that your customers can call you, send you a message, book an event, buy your product, etc. To add it, just click here. Now you have to choose the action you want your page visitors to take. I will choose the call now action. So now anyone can call my restaurant just by clicking this button without having to enter the number manually. It's very convenient and can enlarge the number of leads. To help visitors quickly find what they're looking for, you can add and delete tabs and change their order on the page. You can do that on the templates and tabs item in the settings tab. Here you can find all the available tabs. First things first. The offers tab must be active if you want to offer discounts to your customers. To create a new offer, go on the corresponding tab and click Create Offer. You can select the discount type and its amount, expiration date and time, and some other options. When you have done, click Publish. Now your offer is displaying on the corresponding tab. Reviews are incredibly important for any business and especially for the restaurant. Your visitors can share their reviews, rate your business as well as recommend it or not. Having a lot of positive feedback could attract new customers, so it's definitely a necessary tab. On the Events tab you can add information about your future events. Let's create one. At first you have to select privacy settings, would it be a public or a private event. You can also choose a location, start and end date, enter the event's title and description, upload a photo, select an event's category, add co-hosts and do such other things. Click Create when you finished. Let's move to the next tab that not everybody will use, the Jobs. It has the meaning to turn on this tab only if you have free vacancies right now. Let's imagine that we have one, and I will show you how to add it. So go to the corresponding tab and click Create Job. As usual, you have to add the title of your job, its location, select a job type and indicate a salary range. You also can add some questions that people are required to answer to find more qualified applicants. When you are done, click Next and Post. Another one primary tab about which I want to tell you is the Shop tab. After you've turned it on and agreed to the merchant terms and policies, you will have to choose how you want people to buy products from your shop. They can make purchases through messages or by using your website. Also, you have to select what currency you use in your shop. Click Save. Time to add the first product. Enter all necessary information, upload photos, select some options and click Add Product. You can also add collections to organize your product and make it easier for customers to browse by clicking on this button. If your business provides services instead of products, you have to turn on the Services tab. Let's add the first one. Enter the service name and description, price, appointment duration, and add a photo if you want. So guys, there are left some more tabs, but they are not primary, and I'm sure that you already realized how to add and use them. By the way, you can change their order by grabbing and pulling them. When you've filled your page with all the necessary information, it's time to get some traffic. First of all, you can invite to the page your friends and relatives by sending them invitations. To do that, click the Invite Friends item or just share a link to your page in any messenger. If all your friends have already seen and followed your page, then it's time to do some marketing. Having followers on other social networks can make the task a lot easier because you can share the news with them that you recently created a Facebook page. But let's assume that we have an ordinary small business and just started making sales online. The best way that we have in these circumstances is to promote our page by using Facebook ads. So click on this big blue promote button. Here you have to choose what you want to promote: your page, post, get more calls or leads, etc. Let's assume that I want to promote one of my posts, so I will choose the corresponding item. Now you should choose your audience, people you want to show your posts. In this tutorial I will not explain ad creation and targeting in details, because it's a vast and hard topic, and I also have a separate tutorial for Facebook ads. You can find the link to this tutorial in the description of this video. After you set all the settings, just click on the Boost Post Now button. On the next step you have to add your payment information. When everything is done, your post will start promoting. So now you know all the primary things, like how to create a professional looking business page, promote it and attract new customers. But I also want to tell you about a couple of useful tips and tricks. The first one is the page roles. Using it you can assign new admins, moderators, editors, advertisers, etc. It's handy if you have a big team and don't work alone. To assign new roles you have to go to the page settings item and find the corresponding tab. To add a new role, just start typing the name of your helper and select its profile. Set its role and click Add. Excellent, now you can work on your page in a team. The next feature will be helpful if your customers are frequently asking you the same set of questions. Using it, you can set up automated responses to those questions. To activate this feature, go to the Resources and Tools tab and click the Set up Frequently Asked Questions button. By the way, you can also set up all types of automatic responses like instant reply, away message, etc. Click Edit. So now you can add the questions and automated responses for them. Keep in mind that you can add only 4 questions. Don't forget to click Save when you're done. Another great feature that I want to tell you about is the ability to connect your Instagram and WhatsApp account to your page. It's super convenient and gets you additional abilities to connect with your customers. To connect them, go to the page settings, find the corresponding tabs and simply sign in with these services. And the last feature that I want to tell you about is the Insights. On this tab you can see how many visitors you had in the last days, which actions they did, how much likes your posts got, and find many other useful data. I recommend you to go on this tab frequently because it's quite important to know which content your audience liked more. So guys, this tutorial has come to an end. I hope it will help you to create a great Facebook page for your business. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Have a nice day and see you the next time. Bye!